Dressing up in your Sunday best, unlocking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a very picturesque phrase, "in one's Sunday best." This expression paints a vivid picture, but what does it really mean? Let's find out together, and I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to use this phrase like a native speaker. In one's Sunday best refers to wearing one's finest or most formal clothes, typically reserved for special occasions or significant events. The phrase originates from the tradition of dressing up in one's best attire for Sunday church services. It's not just about the clothing, though. It's a nod to presenting oneself in the best possible light, often to show respect or to celebrate. The tradition of wearing special clothes to church has roots that stretch back centuries. It was a time when people would put aside their everyday work clothes in favor of something more formal and polished. This practice highlighted the importance of the day and the act of worship. Over time, the phrase, Sunday best, evolved to signify not just the clothes worn to church but any outfit chosen for special occasions, symbolizing respect and honor. Using the phrase, "in one's Sunday best," is quite straightforward. It can be employed both literally and figuratively. Literally, when someone is dressed particularly well for a formal event. Figuratively, it can describe someone putting forth their best effort or presenting something in its most polished form. For example, everyone was in their Sunday best for the wedding. For the final presentation, we need to bring our Sunday best. Understanding phrases like, "in one's Sunday best," enriches your English vocabulary and gives you insight into cultural traditions that influence the language. It's more than just words. It's about the stories and customs behind them. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase for you and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and as always, we're excited to see you apply what you've learned in your English language journey. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.